Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Apple Pay issue detected. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Let me tell you that when you try to open the Apple Pay wallets and it's not working for you guys, and I'll show you how can you fix it. First of all, you have to close this page. Now after that guys, you have to open the setting first, and first of all you have to make sure that you are properly connected with the internet. Let me tell you guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, turn to mobile data or vice versa, and after that you have to scroll it down. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on general and make sure that you have updated your device to the latest version, and after that go to date and time, and also make sure that your date and time is correct. Then close this page. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings, scroll it down and locate for the wallet app. As you can see guys, tap on that. From here guys, if you have given the card information, just simply you have to recheck the information. So after rechecking it guys, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, just simply remove the payment method, remove the card from here, and after that close this page. After that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down, tap on general. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. From here you have to reset the network setting, and after that you have to open the settings again, and again you have to open the Apple Pay wallet and then try to add the card and then check if it's working or not. So if it's still not working, what you need to do guys, just simply you have to check your card country. Okay guys, so just simply have to open the setting first and just simply have to tap on general, scroll it down, tap on language and region. So from here guys, select that region in which your debit or credit card is made. Okay guys, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.